Yeah, hi, good morning. Welcome to Stock Champ. Today we'll be doing a video on penny stock lovers. So we have chosen some fundamental stocks where the price is less than 100 rupees, but these stocks are having a good growth story. So we have taken three stocks: FSL, IIFL Securities, and HSCL. This video will be in three parts. First, we'll discuss on FSL. Before starting video, disclaimer: this is my personal view. Please consult your advisor before investments, taking any trades. To get daily recommendation, join our Telegram channel. A link available in description box. So let's start FSL analysis. FSL is again a good fundamental stock. It's a growing stock. Industry is growing. Chairman is Sanjeev Goenka. It's a group of RP SG group. It's a worldwide. This footprint is worldwide. They have subsidiaries like CSC Limited, Spencer Retails, First Source Solutions, Saregama. This sector FSL is mainly into computers, software and medium small. If you see the volume there, 17,54,897 traded. So headquarters in Kolkata, West Bengal. Number of employees in this RPSG group, Goenka group, is 44,500. The revenue is 26,900 crore and total asset is 47,405 crores. Now we'll see the statistics. Market cap is 6,619. That is very good. Any company, if you're investing, it should be more than 5,000 crores. So that is a healthy sign of the company. A very good dividend track of 25%. A face value is 10 rupees. The growth story is intact. If you see the book value has got increased to 29.4 to 39.61. And if you see the PE industry PE, 17.65 compared to 31.79. Now coming to shareholding pattern and other details. If you see promoters, 53.82%. A little concern is that promoters are selling this stocks, but it's okay. 53.82% is also a good one. We can see FII holdings also, it is 6.56%. Total DII is increasing this stock and stake, it is moved from 17.5 to 18.2%. And MF also have increased the stake to 9.3%. The good part which I like here is pledged. If you see the pledged parameter, it is 0%. So again I am requesting all my viewers, and again I am telling this, when you do a fundamental stock analysis or even you do a short term trade, please see the pledged. If pledged and debt to equity, pledge is 0 and debt is also a very minimal of this company. So any fundamental analysis, any stock analysis, if you choose, please check the pledge and debt to equity ratio. Very very important to choose and trade the stock. Coming to strengths of this company, we have identified 7 strengths of this company to invest in this stock. Good long term story. Growth in net profit with increasing profit margin, very very important. Company with low debt. Again I am stressing here, company with low debt. Strong cash generating ability from core business, improving cash flow from operation for last 2 years, very very important. A company has to generate cash flow from its operational activity. Book value per share improving for last 2 years. Company with zero promoter pledge, that is the strength. So low debt with zero promoter pledge. FII, FPI institutions increasing their shareholding. Stock gain more than 20% in 1 month. So these are the key points. Strength. One should know why I am investing in this stock. What are the fundamentals? What are the risks? Many people just invest and then they just think that why have purchased this stock. So please do your analysis. Please understand the fundamentals and then please invest your hard money. So final conclusion on FSL recommendation. Recommendation is duration 3 to 6 months. Current price 95 to 96. If you are getting this stock price in every correction, please accumulate 80 rupees, 85 rupees, 90 is the band. Target of 200. Again, I am saying keep regular profit booking at intervals. Don't stick into that you will get 25%, 30%. If stock giving you 10 to 50%, you can book the profit and then re-enter. So these are all fundamental stocks. Keep that in your watch list. Buy these stocks, accumulate, sell the stocks when you are getting, book the profits, and then again enter at the lower price. So again, I will join you with other two stocks in next videos, IIFL and HSCL. Keep subscribing the channel, join our Telegram channel, keep motivating us. Thank you.